So after a lot of testing with this thing, got everything to work a little bit on it, and looks like I got most of everything works, but I don't have any spark. So I referred to the manual, repair manual, and opened out the coil. It seems to be okay. Went to go about the control module, the igniter, or whatever they want to call this, and nothing. So I'm leaning on that. I haven't really confirmed it, but this distributor, it was full of water when I took it apart, and sand and everything else. It was pretty crusty. Like I said, not 100% sure that's what it is, but I did find them on eBay, generic one, for like $15. So I'm just gonna order it. Kind of running out of options. I don't feel like throwing a whole bunch of parts at it, but as far as what I can test, it seems like that. It could be the pickup. I don't have a analog ohm meter to watch it bounce as the distributor's rotating, but I am getting some ohms out of it when I ohm it. It's not open circuit or anything, so I don't really believe that it's bad. So I'm gonna lean on that. Let's try that, see what happens. I still need to take the carb apart and probably clean it out a little bit better, I'm sure. But mechanically, it seems to be working. Obviously, there's getting oil pressure. Sounds like it has good compression. I haven't actually done a compression check, but all three cylinders sound like they're hitting pretty even. Sounds like the fuel pump works. Of course, I haven't hooked it to fuel yet. Looks like the throttle solenoid and the choke solenoid are both working when you hit the on switch. So I'm in belief that a lot of the circuitry works on this generator. So now, we got it turning over. If we can get some spark and get it to actually run, then we can see if it's actually making power. So unfortunately with these things, it's just one step at a time. I don't want to spend a whole lot of money on it just in case there is something weird with it where it's not making power and it's going to cost thousands to fix. If that's the case, I'm probably just going to part it out and go back to my 5E Kohler. But I don't know if we can get this thing running and powering and all that good stuff. We'll put some tune-up parts on it and put it in the boat over there. So stay tuned.